Ever watched a classroom full of sleepy faces and wondered, how can I make this exciting? Well, here's the secret. Unforgettable lessons aren't about what you teach, they're about how you make people feel while learning. Every student, young or old, craves one thing: connection. They don't just want facts, they want stories. When you teach with stories, you give knowledge a heartbeat. Instead of photosynthesis, tell the tale of a tiny leaf that eats sunlight for breakfast. Suddenly, science becomes magic. Next, use movement and emotion. Let your learners see it, touch it, laugh with it. Learning sticks when all senses come alive. Turn your class into a mini stage where every example becomes an adventure. When students feel the lesson, they remember the message. And don't forget the unexpected. A question that makes them pause, a prop that makes them giggle, and a what if that makes them dream. Because curiosity is the spark that lights every brilliant mind. The truth is, the best lessons aren't found in books. They are found in the moments when someone's eyes light up. When learning becomes personal, that's when information turns into inspiration. So the next time you step up to teach, don't just share knowledge, create an experience. Because long after your students forget the words, they will always remember how you made them feel.